My plan for year 2020 was to celebrate my 60th anniversary on a 3-week, 7-city excursion with my grandson. You can do everything online now, so I had planned the trip, mapped the route, checked out the hotels we would lodge in, even decided which friends to visit and which to give a call, just to let them know I am in town. I made a promise to my grandson when he was placed in my eager hands as a 2-month-old that when he turned 5 years, I would take him to a robotics exhibition. Behold, one was holding in London, England at the time we would be there. All that was left was to book the flight, train, and coach tickets and pay hotel deposits. My plan perfected, I really looked forward to a seamless journey until the new strain of coronavirus broke out in Wuhan. An occurrence in faraway China gave us all better understanding of the word globalization. Many lost their careers, jobs, loved ones, even lives. Local and global businesses and economies slowed down and many grounded to a halt because our world is so codependent. I know what moved my cheese. To learn how to set and accomplish goals, read the ebook 5 Steps to Create the Life You Desire. To purchase the ebook, go to www.enduringwealthcoach.xyz. #GoalSettingWorks.